What's up, guys? Welcome back to the BigLogan channel. I'm your host, BigLogan, and I have a special co-host today, Cate Frame. Cate Frame and I are going to talk about actually van life framing. So, ironically, that Cate is joining us today, but we're going to have some fun. We're going to talk about some special tips and tricks and hacks. Now, this is my 4th ProMaster that I'm building commercially for wonderful clients, and we're going to talk about a little bit of that details on the Roxy build progress. This is our week 2 update video, and without further ado, let's get this episode started. So we're back in Mountaineer Van Works headquarters. Cate Frame is enjoying the van.
And I'm walking like a crab.
She's walking like a crab. Cate, what is your favorite thing so far about Roxy?
I don't know. Probably the seats. They aren't comfy.
The seats are comfy?
Yeah, they're good. So
before we get into all of the details of van building, we got to fill up our Halloween candy bowl because it is almost Halloween. Who are you going to be?
Ginny Weasley from Harry Potter.
You're going to be Ginny Weasley from Harry Potter?
Yeah, from Harry Potter. It's kind of heavy.
Perfect. All right. Oh, okay. All right. That's great. Plenty of extra for all the other girls and boys.
Yes. Oh, I love skills. Skills are, I don't know why I say, I ate.
Ooh, I found a Snickers. Can I have this? Hey, if you guys ever want to bring the kids by to Mountaineer Van Works, we'll pump them full of candy and send them home. Cool? Hey, do you want...
What are you doing?
Cate, I got you some dog treats.
For my dog.
No, for you.
Oh, dog treats? But I will take them for my dog at home.
Okay, all right. Fair enough, fair enough.
Yes.
All right, well, let's get back to Roxy. So, Cate, first off, to introduce you to Project Roxy, we're redoing the layout. So that's why I have the blue tape on the ground. So what that does is help me lay out. This is the kitchen. This is the shower. Right there where you're standing or sitting. That's one chair. See that box? You stand right there in that blue box? That's a chair. All right, now hopscotch forward. That is a table. Hopscotch forward. That's another chair. And hopscotch forward. And that is a refrigerator.
Yeah, but where are they going to sleep if it's a camper?
Good question, you might add. From where you're standing, where your head is, that pulls out into a king bed.
Oh, yeah, I've heard that somewhere.
And then it folds back. So it goes back. Where you're standing now is about a twin-size bed. You never what?
Broken a bone in my entire life.
Well, that's probably good.
And I've never actually had gum before.
You've never had gum before?
Yeah, I really's never had gum. I know, it's weird. I have 2 front teeth, and I've had them probably since when I was in kindergarten. I had no 2 front teeth, and all I sang was, "All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth."
Are you saying that if you chew and swallow gum, it won't harm you?
Yeah, that's true, but you probably still shouldn't swallow it. But you probably still shouldn't. It's foam.
It is. So what we're going to do is actually cut that whole panel out. See that whole box right there?
Oh, yes.
That is going to be a window.
Oh.
Yeah. So Luna didn't have a window here.
Oh.
Luna had a window over here, which we've already put in. I put this window in too. We removed it, and then that way I can take a saw and go all the way around the perimeter. But I'm waiting for the window to come in. The window hasn't come in yet.
Finish that in the next vlog?
I hope it comes in by the next vlog. This is going to be a Sierra Lawrence dual vented window. So this is a solid pane bonded pre-tinted window.
So this is when you're going to sell?
Yeah, we've already pre-sold this van to 2 lovely people and their dog in New York.
Oh.
What should we tell our buyers in New York?
Thank you for buying this.
Absolutely.
Yes, thank you.
Do you like the floor?
Yes.
We got the floor in this past 2 weeks. We got our windows cut in. We have our dual Max Air roof vent fans in.
My birthday is next month.
How old are you going to be?
9.
You're 8 already?
Yeah, I'm in 3rd grade.
Cate is 8. Cate is 8. All right, Cate. Well, let's go over the van interior real quick with our lovely viewers. We just got 20,000 subscribers too.
Yeah.
200.
Thank you.
Like this video, comment below,
Yes.
and subscribe to the BigLogan channel. All right. No cyberbullies.
Yes. Those are it's like bullying but online.
It's like bullying but online, no cyberboards. All right, so our build update is gonna really quickly consist of me and Kate going over the plywood slats, which I've done differently than furring strips. You guys see these longitudinal runs in the van. That's more efficiently done to help us hang overhead cabinets up here. So instead of doing furring strips, we do sheathing plywood up on the ceiling as well. It gives us good screwing points to hang the overhead cabinet structures. It's going to run all the way down this van. Same thing on this side, plywood on the top, on the roof structure, as well as the sidewall, running all the way down from the cargo door back. Everything else hasn't really changed. We still have our bedboard that's set at about 36 1/8 inch to give us a 36-inch countertop height where our bed can transition over the kitchen area right here where you can see in the blue. For this design, we're going to fold the bed out over a refrigerator with a butcher block top, and then where Kate is now backing into.
Yeah, I'm pretending like I'm pulling out the bed.
That's right.
Yeah, so like
pulls out right to here and here. So we have a giant king bed. So while my co-host Kate is hanging out on this half of the bulkhead, do you think we need one over here?
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably. And then it would probably be about maybe this wide.
Yeah. Yeah, we need a pass-through door, right? Like down the aisle?
Do, 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 do.
Yeah, exactly. Do you want to build part of the Roxy?
Possibly. But if you are careful with it.
No.
If only you have to be careful and you have to help me because I'm not allowed to use a saw by myself. And I don't think kids are allowed to use saws.
I say I help you use saws. We build the last part of our bulkhead framing in Roxy and we get to it.
And be cautious.
Let's get to it.
We are back with BigLogan and his co-host Cate Frame.
Cool. What's up, guys?
What do you think?
We're gonna cut this 20-inch board.
Okay, I'm gonna have it right here so we.
We'll throw him a big jet fan.
Oh gosh, that's loud! Oh my gosh, that's loud! It's him, all him. Oh, did you hurt yourself?
No, we're good.
Okay, good. Let me hold it.
There's board number 1.
Is it very? Oh,
one of 3.
It's actually kind of light.
Do you want to try and cut one?
No.
Okay.
Because I'm too young. I don't want to hurt myself, and I don't want to chop one of my fingers off. Let's go to Logan. Here it is. I am filming. Be careful. We should probably edit that out. We should probably edit out all the stuff.
Hardware in a square.
Okay, I will talk to them while you do that. Logan's channel is about 2 years old.
Yeah, it's about 2 years old.
Yes. Now there's Logan. Okay, and guys, you can watch their proposal video on Facebook.
And YouTube.
And
we're on YouTube. All right, so what we're going to do here is square this thing up.
Square? How do you square?
Well, it's actually the shape of an L, but they call it a square. So
it's like a corner of a square.
Is square this with the van floor, and I can see that what we need to do is tweak this into the wall a little bit. So I'm going to anchor it down right here and get it just plumb perfect, Laura.
Oh!
Through the wood. We're going to do about 3 or 4 of those. Perfectly square.
That rattled.
That rattled the cage a little bit.
Yes. And I just gave you a tip.
What?
Make sure the wood is secure.
Wait, make sure the wood is secure before you screw it in.
Yeah, that's the tip.
Now, okay, we have to make sure it's square this way.
Square this way, okay. Does look square. BM equals MC squared. What does that actually mean? I actually prefer school pretty much. I do like the weekend. I think I like school a little more than weekend. E equals MC squared.
So what I'm doing now is squaring this bulkhead this way. We can't use a level in here because the van's not level. It sits on wheels, right?
Yeah.
So we got to use a square.
Square. Okay.
A square.
I got to tap. And hurry up. I was about to say any day now.
One more screws locks in our bulkhead. Perfect. Plumb perfect.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do something very cray-cray.
Yeah.
Because it's an aisle, and aisles are at weddings.
And Lauren and I just got engaged. You know that, right? Roxy's gonna be a good build. Her buyers are gonna be very happy.
And it'll probably be kind of sad to let her go.
It always is. Yeah, every time we sell the van after spending a couple months, 2 to 3 months with her, yeah, for sure.
Well, they can always just send photos of Roxy.
They can. Yeah, they can send photos.
I'll be back in a minute.
All right.
And let me wash my hands. I got glue on them because the glue is still wet.
Oh my goodness. She's a ball, man. Guys, thanks for watching Big Logan channel. You guys like this video, subscribe below, comment below. We'd love to see your feedback. We'll do another video update in about 2 weeks. From that, you guys take care. We'll see you on the next episode. Peace.
Bye. Don't be sad to leave you all.